Hi everybody, welcome back to Small Caliber Arms Review. I'm Richard. It's been a while since I've done any filming on this side over here at my workbench, but I actually still do use this spot for a lot of cleaning and a bunch of other, firearms maintenance and stuff. Now, one of the things I recently acquired here is this gun cleaning mat. This is from a company called Mavtec, also the owner of Maverick Reloading, and I bought a bunch of brass from them. The guy sent me one of these mats and said, hey, why don't you do a review on this? So I thought that's pretty cool. And not only should we do a review on it, but let's do a giveaway, because I've got another one of these mats here and I'm going to send it to one lucky winner. What I want you to do is go down in the comments section below and type the word Mavtec in there, M-A-V-T-E-C. And that'll enter you for a chance to win one of these gun mats. I'm only going to give away one of them, so put the comment down in there, and a week from now, this is February 3rd, I think it is, 2024. We're going to let this video run for about a week, and just put the comment down there. We'll do the automatic name picker, comment picker thing, and it will select a name, and we'll get one of these sent out to you. Now, it is a pretty nice mat. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It's this is a 16 by 20, I think it, or 12 by 20. So the short way is 12 inches, the long way is 20 inches. It's about 3/8 of an inch thick. It's got some recessed areas in here that are about half the thickness of it, so they're about 3/16 of an inch thick. It has some little magnets, these little white dots over here. Those are magnets, so if you got some small parts you don't want rolling all over the place, stick them on one of those magnets and they'll stay there. And it will hold a little bit of weight there too. Of course, only magnetic, steel. It does have all these little holes in here, and you can see I've got some brushes in there, I got some jags in there, I got some screwdriver bits in there, and there's different size holes in it for different tools in there. Really nice mat. It's got these two eyes up here at the top, so if you've got a shop and you've got pegboard up on your wall there, you can take and hang this up there to get it out of your way. I will probably leave it right here on this table, because this is where I do the majority of my cleaning. If I'm not doing any filming anyways, I do still do some filming here. You don't have to worry about solvents on it, because it's not going to hurt anything. You can spray your gun oil right on it, put your parts on there, get your brushes out, scrub them up. It's not going to hurt anything on there, and all you got to do is wipe it down when you're done, and most of your solvents and stuff will eventually evaporate anyways and leave a nice shiny coating on there. The other mat I had here was kind of a neoprene with a fabric covering on it, no magnets in it, no recessed areas in there, so I had to be careful that I didn't knock parts off of there. And if I did get oil on it, it just kind of soaked down in there and stayed there until it evaporated. He's going to ship these flat. They will not be all rolled up and stuffed in the tube like a bunch of the other manufacturers do. He will ship them flat, so you don't have to worry about this thing being curled up for days or weeks or however long it takes for it to finally relax. They're shipped flat. They're sold on Amazon, so if you want to just go ahead and buy one, well, go ahead and get on Amazon. I will put an affiliate link down in the description below, so you can click on that. And, if you're not lucky enough to be the one that gets drawn to win it, you can go ahead and buy one. So you don't have to worry about parts and pieces falling off. Even if you don't have them on the magnets, that recessed area is deep enough to hold some parts from sliding around. Not that you're going to pick it up and slide it around anyways. The back of it is nice, smooth, slick coating on there, so I've got a smooth surface on my counter here. Doesn't slide very easily. I mean, it will slide some. And if you have to do this on the kitchen table, it should work just fine on there, and you won't have to worry about getting oil all over the table. At least you shouldn't have to anyways. Anyways, like I said, go ahead and put Mavtec in the comments below, and next Sunday, which will be the 10th, I think, somewhere around there. I'll have to check my dates. But anyways, we'll go ahead and stop all the comments, and we'll go ahead and do a drawing on it and see who wins one of these mats. And I will put an affiliate link in the description below for Amazon and a link to the Mavtec gun cleaning mats. Thanks for watching, and good luck.